My name's Averill, Bromfield. I'm the founder of Averill Sharper Uniforms. I founded it in 2003, and we're located in Boston, Massachusetts, but we ship all over the USA, all over the country, all over the world. We focus on clubs, city clubs, golf clubs, tennis clubs, yacht clubs. I'm a sailor myself, sailboat racer. Embroidery, the way the charges typically work from your vendors is there's a digitized cost. You send a file to the uniform company, either a PDF or a JPEG file. Okay, the cost can run from $65 to $95 to a one-time charge to digitize, and it's just the sew-out cost. So to sew something out like this can cost about $4 to $5. It's all embroidery is based on the thread count. Okay, so how many threads are in this, and when we digitize the logo, that tells us how many threads are in it. Okay, and a lot of times you just use the background of the shirt. And if you have a circle, the circle could be in white, and the background would be the fill, they call it the fill of the circle, would be the color of the shirt. You can embroider the center of the circle with thread, but of course then your thread count's going to go up, and it's going to cost more. Okay. An example of a heat seal. Heat seal really works well for reflective. Okay, so on this jacket, it's basically a high-tech sticker. I think all your t-shirts, undergarments, underwear, you know how they have all those annoying labels on the back of the neck? Okay, well now it's like printed on the shirt. That's basically a heat seal. Okay, so that's become very popular rather than having the labels there. You know, most people cut out the labels when they get those garments. And here we did left chest over the heart logo. Okay. So it's important that the valet, if you do a valet, that they have reflective outerwear or polo shirts, you know, be reflective. You know, a lot, because the common color in most hospitality is black. Okay, but at night you don't want your staff to be in. You want them to be seen as the cars roll by. You know, the biggest thing Amazon's known for is free shipping. Okay, you should be able to get free shipping on everything. Usually there's a minimum, a small minimum. Right now we do about $90, and you put a coupon code in on the website. But you should, if you don't, today you should request and get free shipping from your supplier. Okay, and you can thank Amazon for that. I find giving discounts, at least people mentally, they think they're getting the world when they get free shipping, and maybe they are, but so that's what forced us into free shipping for everybody. Okay, so that's a good way to save money, because your shipping costs can add up, especially if you're across country from your supplier. As far as fabric selection, when you're picking colors, I always tell my customers, don't look at the samples under fluorescent lights. You should look at the sample shirt color under the venue who's lighting. Okay, here's an example. You know, I guess you'd call this goldish or goldish brown. It pretty much looks all the same color. Okay, but and I've had customers come to us with designers, and they say it has to be PMS, the Pantone matching color. There's a color number for every color in the world out there, and it's done by the Pantone matching system. And the designer says, "Oh, it's got to be this color," but he's not in the venue's lighting. So I can by this all looks like this is the same fabric, same color. But if I rip it, this is tougher than I thought. Let me see here. Okay, now if I go over here and I go over here, you may say on the eyes, at least, human eye, it looks like two different colors. That's all because of the way light reflects. Okay, so it's important to have your samples in the venue, in the restaurant, out in the outside patio, and that way you can achieve the color you're looking for to match the concept color of your restaurant dining. I thank you for your attendance, and that's a wrap.